Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5071417 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run these commands. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. Over here you can see pause option, so hit pause over here, and once paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, scroll down. At the bottom somewhere you will find Windows update. Make a double click on Windows update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click on background intelligent and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can go back and then you can click on retry over here. You might see the retry option and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update, that is KB5071417. And then click on search. Now check your Windows system type. So open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and check the system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, 64x64 base processor. Now for me this is the right one, Windows 11 version 23H2 x64. So click on download and then click on this KB5071417 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you have to click on this file, just click on it and then just follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually. And once that is done, restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft websites. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept. And then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next, save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can try to update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.